Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? A gracious good morning to you good people. It's your girl KB. You know what I do, and you know why I do it. It is Monday morning. The weekends are going by too fast, y'all. I guess that's what happens when you get older. And you guys know I am in my prime. I'm not going to say midlife because there aren't too many 126-year-olds. Yeah. See, I told my age, so I need you to pay attention and do the math. Okay? It is, again, Monday. It's 4:02 in the a.m. and it's June 2nd. I want to say happy Pride Month. And can I say, let us do the hell out of this month, y'all. As another way to thumb our nose at the powers that be. Bring it. You know, there's a lot of things that I stand flat-footed on. And personal rights and personal freedoms are just a few things that I stand flat-footed on. So, again, brothers and sisters, let's do the hell out of this month. Brothers and sisters, let's do the hell out of Juneteenth. Let's celebrate with so much noise and so much love. People are going to wonder what we have. And notice I said we. Yes, I'm part of the alphabet community. I need to say that again because some of y'all missed it or some of y'all want to identify it as something else. And nope. Naming it and claiming it. You know, I'm wearing this hat that says, grow through what you go through. And we go through a lot. You know, taking on other people's stuff, taking on other people's madness. You know, I packed baggage a long time ago. And two of the very first bags that I packed to give folks back is guilt and shame. I know who I am. And I know who I am in Christ. And I know who God is. And I understand the tenets and the principles of my faith. And the greatest of these is love. Now, you can accept a reasonable facsimile, but not your girl. That being said, I just want to address a couple, 2-3 things that I keep seeing as recurring themes during Pride Month, at the beginning of Pride Month. And the single sisters, I got folks lamenting their singleness, and I got other folks wondering why people aren't stepping up. And I'm going to say, some folks aren't finished packing bags yet. Some folks aren't healed yet. Some folks have had people do them wrong. And again, have not healed or begun to heal. Some people, and I'm one of these people, I share, the more I study about love, the more I don't know what it is, because the people with I love you on their lips are the ones that, I won't say do the most damage, whether it be intentional or unintentional. And there are some folks just, I want to say, salting the game because they don't understand. They're just playing. And you know, I've been victim to that as well. And most recently, you know, that was my thing. And I just, you got to be pretty spectacular. Not in looks or, you know, financial status. I want to say in heart. In content of character, you got to be pretty spectacular to get my attention these days, because, you know, I am personally tired of dealing with fugazis. And that's just my 2 cents. And, you know, I put that on me. I'm not putting that on anybody else, because the bottom line is choice. And, you know, I constantly have to ask myself, what was attractive? Why was I attracted to it? And, you know, dealing with my own character defects as that, you know, as far as that's concerned. Keeping it real raw with 100. You know, and for the folks who do the damage, you know what you're doing. You know, I don't know is the answer for a child. You know what you were doing. You had a thought. You had a plan. You dressed up for it. You chose to lie about it like a cat in a litter box, living your life, always covering. Okay, getting back to my original message, folks. Let's do the hell out of this month and annoy people. Get into some good trouble.